Welcome to part 2. It's staying as part 2. I tried to make a part 2, but then...
I'll be getting another phone soon.
Then again...
Jeez. Why are you getting all these phones?
Last part 2
I had that for almost 2 years.
Can I have that one then?
I was gonna say...
Don't the fuck out. It don't work.
But yeah, so... Still waiting. This is part 2, but we'll turn you guys back on once the fireworks come on. Guys, they're starting!
That was loud!
That was the warning shot!
That was so loud!
That was the...
My delicate baby ears!
It's not even getting them.
Hurt. AJ, you gotta get up here. Here.
Whoa, that was shaped. Whoa, guys. Let's go. Ow! 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 My ear. That looked like the Andromeda Galaxy. Guys, happy Independence Day, but also happy bringing back the Emerald Gamer 763.
I agree.
That wasn't that loud. Oh.
Oh my God.
This is great, guys. Whoa. Let's go, guys. Yes. And fling. Pop.
AJ, can I see your ball?
No.
Why?
Because I said so. Ah. This is awesome, guys.
That was loud.
Take the ball. Whoa, I feel this is gonna be loud. That wasn't that loud. Oh.
You don't want it?
I'm still taking that.
Ooh, those are my favorite. Yeah, they're like a waterfall.
Green.
Oh! Dang. Bear could probably hear these fireworks. Bear could probably hear it.
I doubt it.
Whoa.
Oh, these ones are my favorite because I just want to Oh, yeah, dang. That's a little one. That's not that loud. I have delicate baby ears, and I don't.
That's the truth, though.
I don't have delicate baby ears.
Yeah, you do. You're 5. So you're technically a child, but you're still little, so your ears are still sensitive.
Dive in water. If I have my eyes open, my
Whoa, I like those ones where they they look like they're gonna about to fall down and die. Ew. The best part of all fireworks, the grand finale. That was a heart inside of a circle. Guys, this is awesome. Yeah. I wish I had like recording glasses. Guys, if you coin those, let me know. Guys, I'm literally sitting on top of this car. Because there's a door open, like there's a top glass window, and I'm sitting like right where the roof and the windshield begin and end. So I might fall down, and I don't want to.
No, you will.
Ooh. Those are the cool ones, the ones that fall but also ripple.
Who's setting them off?
Ooh. The people who set fireworks off. Whoa. Bah!
That's huge.
Bah!
That's super huge.
I like the big ones.
So loud. The big ones aren't pretty. That's huger. That's even huger.
Ah! That hurt.
What? Those are too loud.
Dang, Downingtown stepped up their game.
That's not that loud, Katie. I told you, I'm delicate baby. Dang it! My ears are gonna die now.
If they don't have a firework shaped like a fidget spinner, I'm gonna be surprised.
That looks like a fidget spinner.
No, that doesn't.
It looks like a that does. Oh, those are my favorites with it.
I like the ones that move around, fall down, and ripple.
Yeah, those are. This one.
Yo, I kind of got to get through. I have to get through.
That's not it, guys. Oh, did you think it was the end?
Dang.
Bring back
Why does it
Ripley's.
take so long again? Also, guys, here's a fidget spinner.
Mine. Pass it. Pass it back, Ryan. It almost made me fall.
Boom! That's huge.
That was huge. Ripple. I wonder how many people that it's their first time being in America think this is like a threat. Or like a bombing.
That's a big fidget spinner. Huger. Oh,
Expected that to be loud.
I got my mama with Papa. Oh!
Woo. Bop.
I bet there's gonna be a huger one.
Yeah, the grand finale brings like the ultra firework.
But Mr. Med is just. Ow! I hope there's
Whoa.
If there's one more little one, that's gonna be bad.
I don't get how some of the tinier ones are super loud green color. Bada bum.
That's
Bam.
at the end. Nope.
Bam. What time is it? It's 9:40. We're gonna have to go in the back door. Whoa. Jen, next weekend can we get Burger King then? If they're open. Whoa. Oh, I like those
I
ones.
can't get in my phone.
Looks like a clown.
It won't let me in.
What's happening?
It won't let me in. I gotta wait till the battery dies.
Whoa, that was loud.
AJ, can I see your tablet? AJ,
No.
that's you.
Bum.
Oh,
Sorry guys, you're missing it. No, I lost one of my accessories, but that's okay.
I'll go get them and get them.
No, Ryan, no.
Leave them there, Ryan.
Right, leave them. Ryan, leave them.
Just lost the fireworks.
Whoa.
What?
Oh my God, guys, this is so cool.
The screen is stuck. Let's see. I gotta wait till the phone dies.
Whoa. Like, there goes the falling ones.
Waterfall.
Aren't those the ones that, like, cause fires sometimes? Whoa.
This is our most favorite area. No! Ah! Cover your
I'm sorry.
ears. I don't have to. It's not that loud.
Ah!
Ow!
That was loud, wasn't it?
That is
I
gonna
think
make
Ryan
my
said
ears
so.
die blood.
Woo!
That is dead blood. I'll hope this one's not
And
loud.
foot.
That's a little one.
Okay, I'm not surprised anymore. That one kind of looks like a fidget spinner. Isn't it all fun and games until you realize... It's all fun and games until you realize burning ashes are falling to the ground. But it's worth it for entertainment. Is that giant cloud monster up there? It's made of all fireworks smoke. Ba-da-bum. I can predict what the sound will be. Just bomb. Wasn't that loud. Bomb, bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. 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 Be big. Not that big. That was shaped even more like a fidget spinner.
A big one. A big winner. Whoa, my favorite. Yeah.
It's fallen. It's pretty.
Looks like that one scene from Tinkerbell.
You would think that.
But it does.
I know it does. I've seen Tinkerbell.
It's pixie dust.
Yeah. Is it weird or not that I actually like the movie Tinkerbell?
That's not everybody. But mostly everybody. If you don't like Tinkerbell, you're a weirdo.
Boop.
Is it really dark outside?
Yes.
Our places aren't working that much.
What do you want them to
But
do?
but there's a bunch of pixie dust. I'm gonna start calling that. I'm gonna start calling them that. Pixie dust fireworks. Bada bum. Dong. Oh God! I could feel the explosion.
So could I.
It's like a nuke. It's literally like a nuke. Like you can feel the blast radius.
That was cool.
I remember.
A cloud monster.
Whoa!
That one was
Cody, when Cody, aka Diamond Gamer 763 for you YouTube people, back when he was in vacation in New York to see his uncle, they had a firework over the Statue of Liberty, like the size. I don't even know how to explain it. It was so big, like you could actually feel wind from it from like half across Manhattan. That looks like embryo. Pixie dust. Red, green. Two good colors. What, did we miss that? I'm not sure. 15 minutes already, dang. Oh, that wasn't as loud as I thought it was.
What?
I hate how the tinier ones are the loudest and the biggest ones can sometimes be the quietest. See, that wasn't that loud, but one little tiny pop could be. All sound effects made by Ryan Mertz, patent pending. That was a joke, but whatever.
Check your phone.
Only good people would know that.
I can't. See?
Oh.
Oh my God, it's too loud. It's distracting me on the fingers and starting.
Katie, are you still recording? Not only is this a great Independence Day, it's also celebrating the return of my channel, my second channel. Emerald Gaming 763 has been running for a while, but the Emerald Gamer has been absent since 2016.
And Emerald Foxy.
Actually, no. I uploaded like 1 or 2 videos this year on that channel. That was about it.
Foxy is trying to make a new channel.
He might make a new channel. But
Carnival. Yeah, that's my one. I'm actually gonna name it Fireworks 7638, Jay.
That's not a very good name, but okay. Because is your channel going to be all about fireworks? When's the grand finale? It's almost 10 o'clock. 11. I think they lost like 20 minutes or something.
6 minutes.
Ryan, it's been 18 minutes since they started. There's no way they last 6 minutes.
Too long. And my legs are gonna, and my butt's gonna be.
Now it's been exactly 8 minutes since it started.
You don't have to put them in that hard.
Not putting them in that.
Go like this.
No, put them on your body.
Bam, 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 bam. Boom, 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 boom. There's only 2 fireworks. Why did it make 3 sounds?
There were 3.
Oh, okay. I couldn't see the 3rd.
Where's the grand finale by now?
What?
Probably in like a minute. Because I'd say they'd probably last around 20 minutes because it's been 19 minutes since they started. Skateboard. I think this might be coming up.
You're not going this time. No, it's not.
It's hit 20 minutes.
That's not it.
Ow! Okay, that hurt. Ba-dum. Ba-dum. Ba-boom.
That looks nice.
That looked like an ice cream cone.
Pixie dust.
Pixie dust. It's a tinker work. It's a fire tank.
Oh yeah. Pixie dust. No, that's
Why is
not
Katie
waterfall.
screaming pixie dust?
It's
For
not
reasons
a
that nobody knows.
waterfall. No, another waterfall.
Whew.
Pixie dust.
It's a waterfall and it's a pixie dust waterfall.
Who cares what it is?
It's the waterfall.
Okay, it's both.
Pixie dust.
That's not.
I feel bug crawling on my shoulder.
3. Ba-dum. Bum.
It's the
Bum.
grand finale.
Bum. No. Ron, you know it'll be the grand finale when they just start shooting up like millions.
Million.
Like
Look,
think of a machine gun of fireworks.
cheese firework gun.
Do you have everything off the roof?
Katie's got a pile of things next to her. Glow sticks. Did we miss that? No, I didn't. Okay, 1, 2. Bum. Ow! Waterfall pixie dust thing.
Yeah.
Ah! Why are some of those tiny ones so loud?
No.
Waterfall.
Don't do it. Ah.
It's like a multi-water. Ow!
See something.
My ears.
My baby.
Guys, this might not be loud for you, but right now, when those little tiny loud ones go off, it feels like someone's firing a pistol next to my ear. I have no idea what it feels like, but I'm
Are you
just
getting down? Are you gonna
imagining.
get down?
No.
Ow.
Move, Ryan.
Can I get on? I'm literally just standing.
You can't get down from here. This is where I'm sitting.
Move your foot. I don't have no where to.
Come here.
I want to do this.
Come here. We're all not going to fight to sit in the middle. There's no room for 3 people.
There's the grand finale. I believe. Like I said, machine gun. Bum. Woo! Beautiful. Woo! Oh, you think it is, but it keeps going. Is that it? Nope. Oh no. Hopefully no one epileptic came here. 'Cause they would have been dead.
That's a diaper.
Ryan, like I said, I'm seeing the fireworks. It's like a rocket launcher. That's not it. Knew it. Whoa. Whoa.
Is that it?
So, pop in the back.
Woo!
Come on, Ryan. Let's go. Hurry up.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Now, all right, guys.
Wait, can you get my soda?
Happy return of the Emerald Gamer 763 and happy Independence Day. Hope you all had a stupendous time.